Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the watch history in YouTube Kids using your Windows computer. This is useful if you want to refresh video recommendations or remove your child's viewing history. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.youtubekids.com. Now, sign in with a Google account linked to your child's YouTube Kids profile. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll be asked to verify that you are the parent. Just solve the math problem or enter your parental passcode to continue. After that, select the profile you want to manage. Now, scroll down and click on Clear Watch History. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click OK to proceed. And that's it, guys. The watch history has now been cleared for the profile. Remember, if you'd also like to clear the search history, you can do that from the same settings section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.